guys, Parrot Playz here. Welcome to episode 22 of my Piggy series.
The bloopers.
Before we start today's episode, there's a few stuff that we need to say here. One of those things are, thank you guys very much for watching, all the support, likes, subscribes, everything guys. Thank you guys so much for doing that. Another thing is, make sure you guys continue to do that. If you guys are enjoying this or liking seeing this, then please sign into YouTube and subscribe to my channel and the light endings of the Savior ending from... Wait, we can't open that door now. Oh, yeah, no. Oh no. You know what? Just let the crawler be there. So we press... Okay, I see what we press. Okay. Now, let's try again one more time. Here. Hold on, can't. No. Okay, that was fun. Only 2 kills in trader mode. Let's try doing a few more rounds here. Here and there. Maybe we could do 3 or 4 more rounds. Or good rounds, as to say. Please, Daisy, remember. What a name. What a name. Yeah, let's try to do probably 3 or 4 more rounds. Gallery. Like, let's do gallery. Now, you know what? Let's try to do tag mode. Maybe next episode we could do swarm. Challenge a little bit. Or, yeah. Let's do tag. Dudes, let's see if you can win in tag mode. This is gonna be crazy. Whew. Alright, let's do it. I don't know how this is gonna work, but alright, let's do it. Tag mode. Oh man. Alright, let's do that. Let's put that over there. Let's put the hammers there. Oh, never mind. Thought there was a gun here, but no. Because it's only on trader mode that there's a gun in gallery and the school map. So yeah, those are the only 2 maps that the gun are. Oh, okay. I'm not. Alright. Fair enough. I was about to be beating the map, but alright. Okay, where was I? I lost my train of thought. Oh my goodness, okay. I like it. Alright. Fine, give him a chance. Don't like to play like unjust like that, but alright, it's fine. I'm trying to. Oh, okay, I see. What's the plan with you? Okay. See what you're doing there, I see. Oh, she's over there. Hold up, I have a plan. Okay, she's smart. Now. Oh, someone else got tagged, so it's not me. Alright. Let's see if we can get that person then. Get him. Oh, wait, what? Oh, he's there. I see you. No. Nope. Okay. Alright. See what you're doing there. Alright. He's glitching. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna have this part on. I'm done with waiting for people like that. I'll be back once we have a good round going on then. Okay, she's back. What's your plan, girl? What's your plan? Going anywhere now? Okay. Wow, jumped a lot there. Maybe that's why. Okay, I know what you're doing there. I know. Boom. Okay. I got this egg. Run. Jump. Okay, so I already used that. I don't know. What do we need? Wrench. I think we need a wrench. Hold up. Okay, see what we need. Okay, let's see here. Is it up here? Yep, it is. Okay. Watch out. Did it use? Yep, it did. Okay. Run. Okay. Okay. Got used. Now we need the green key now. Alright, fair enough. Alright, I'm not gonna. You know what, to be honest, I don't think I see where the green key is. There's no point. Oh no way, I think it's in the blue room. If I wasn't tagged there, then I would have gotten it. Okay, let's see if I can get it here very fast. Okay, thanks a lot. Technically, would have about a minute and 30 seconds left. Not much is done here, though. Alright, GG then. Yeah, nah, I don't think anybody did a lot on... Oh well. Let's do a different mode then. Try to do 2 or 3 more rounds after this. And after that we can end off the episode. Alright, let's see here. Maybe we could, yeah, sure, let's do that one more time. And then, yeah, we can just... Alright, let's see here. Maybe we could, yeah, sure, let's do that one more time. And then, yeah, we can just do one more map after that. Let's try to do player. If it's not my alt account, then it's fine. Alright, let's just do it here on this one. Yeah, let's just try to do a few little here. Here and there. Alright. Got the red key. blue. Oh no, dude. So, not one of those things again. Oh man. Bruh, if it's one of those things again, I'm just gonna have to do what I'm gonna have to do. Let's use the wrench then. Start using that. Okay. Now let's get the green key. Go before if the piggy jumps in the vent. Like you saw over at the last part, I think it was. No, one part ago. Part 20 of the Piggy series. During the part when we did this. Alright, then we need to get the hammer. We're gonna, oh, there you go. And then yeah, we can do, well, we can, oh, the piggy's up there. Come on. Oh, it's right there, I see the hammer. Alright, let's see what the piggy is doing. Oh, it's there, I see it. Oh no, dude, I was trying to... why was I even going here? No, not doing that. Did you do it? Probably. I do not know. We did it. We did it. We literally just did it. We can do one more round. After that, we are done. Alright, let's do one more round here, and then yeah, we are good after that. And then yeah, guys, the next episode we can do the distorted penny, or whatever that penny skin is called. Let me check actually. To get make sure you guys like, subscribe to my channel please, and to Cloudy Plays YT, and check out the channel there and subscribe. It's gonna be in the description, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.